Seeing a person walking, we can only guess what they feel. But seeing someone dancing, we can confidently assume that in that moment, they are feeling happiness.
Look at that.
Haven't we made it, my love? Oh, honey, look how we made it this far. Hasn't the pace been a long bit, honey? Take a look at where we are. Haven't we made it, my love? Oh, honey, look how we made it this far. Hasn't the pace been a long bit, honey? Take a look at where we are. Isn't the day so exciting? Oh, honey, when I wake up, I'm feeling brand new. All I can say is I look like new money, and the only thing I know is true. I owe you, I owe it to you, I owe it to you, I owe it to you. You shine like a ray from the sun. There's something people look for but never can find. I swear you're the gold I've been running for, honey, like I woke up and won the top prize. So many days spinning cold and too lonely, sitting all the time living in blue. All I can say is I look like new money, and the only thing I know is true. I owe it to you, I owe it to you, I owe it to you, I owe it to you.
Can you imagine a place where you are fully accepted for who you are? What emotions would you feel in such a place? Dance Festival is about building connections, exploring creativity, and developing all kinds of skills in a warm, supportive environment surrounded by friendly people. Now, let's get ready. It's time for an extraordinary performance.